Today, I'm showing you how to make a smooth, slow-motion video in CapCut on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Import video. Open CapCut, create a new project, and import the video you want to edit. Step 2. Mute audio. Select your video on the timeline, tap Volume, and set it to 0. This removes the audio, which will sound distorted in slow motion. Step 3. Apply slow motion. With the video selected, tap Speed, then select Normal. Set the speed value to 0.3, 30% speed, for slow motion effect. Step 4. Copy video. Select the slow motion video and tap Copy to duplicate it. Step 5. Add as overlay. Tap Overlay, then add the copied video as an overlay layer. Step 6. Align videos. Drag the overlay video to align perfectly with the first video at the beginning of the timeline. Step 7. Trim overlay by 0.1 seconds. For example, if the first video is 13.1 seconds, make the overlay 13.0 seconds. Step 8. Perfect alignment. Ensure both videos are aligned perfectly at the start of the timeline. Step 9. Add blend effect. With the overlay selected, tap Blend or Splice and set the value to 30. This creates the smooth blending effect. Step 10. Preview. Play your video to see the smooth, slow motion effect. The blend creates seamless, professional-looking slow motion. Step 11. Export. When satisfied, tap Export to save your smooth, slow-motion video. And that's it! You've created a smooth, slow-motion video in CapCut on your Android device.